Welcome to another exciting episode of Farmstead Diaries. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the fascinating world of extraordinary machines. Let's get started. Bagger to A-Date. As a machine operator on the Bagger to 188, I get to command one of the most awe-inspiring machines on the planet. Standing 315 feet tall and stretching over 705 feet long, this 13,500-ton giant isn't just a machine, it's a force of nature. Every day, I oversee the excavation of 240,000 tons of coal with 18 enormous buckets, each capable of holding over 6 cubic meters of earth. But driving this beast is no easy task. The job is physically demanding and mentally challenging. You've got to have a sharp eye and steady nerves to manage something so massive with such precision. It's a job that requires grit, patience, and a deep respect for the power of this machine. The Bagger 188 might look like a mechanical titan, but it's the human touch that keeps it running smoothly, transforming the landscape one scout. As the operator of the Big Bud 747, I get to control the world's largest agricultural tractor and absolute powerhouse on wheels. This machine stands over 14 feet tall, stretches nearly 28 feet long, and weighs 100,000 pounds. With a 16-cylinder engine producing 1,100 horsepower and 8-foot-tall tires, it's built to handle the toughest terrains and heaviest loads. But driving the Big Bud 747 isn't just about power, it's a demanding job. Every move needs precision, especially on uneven fields or in bad weather. Maintenance is another challenge, requiring constant attention to keep this giant running smoothly. Despite the hard work, there's a unique pride in operating this massive machine, knowing you're helping to shape the land with the world's largest tractor. As the operator of NASA's crawler transporter, I'm at the helm of one of the most extraordinary machines ever built. Picture a mobile platform the size of a baseball field, designed to carry rockets and space shuttles to their launch pads. This massive machine stands 20 feet tall, stretches 131 feet long, and weighs 6 million pounds. Powered by 2 diesel engines generating 5,375 horsepower, it creeps along at just 1 mile per hour when fully loaded. Operating the crawler is a precision job. Every inch matters when you're transporting billions of dollars worth of technology. The slow speed doesn't make it any less intense, every move is critical. The sheer weight and size of the crawler make it challenging to control, especially in Florida's unpredictable weather. Keeping this machine in top condition is a constant effort, but knowing you're a part of launching missions into space makes it all worth it. It's not just a job, it's a privilege. Driving the Liebherr T-36 every day is a challenging but rewarding experience. Weighing up to 100 tons when empty, the massive truck can carry an additional 100 tons of ore, making each trip a grueling one. A powerful diesel-electric engine with 2,700 horsepower helps it navigate rugged terrain and steep slopes. But the job isn't easy, dealing with dust, inclement weather, and navigating a giant machine on treacherous roads requires concentration and skill. But it's the challenges that make the job so rewarding. When you're behind the wheel of the T-36, you're literally moving a mountain. More than just driving a giant machine, driving a Liebherr T-36 requires a steely spirit and patience. Each shift lasts dozens of hours in harsh environments, from scorching sun to snowstorms. But each time a task is completed, the sense of pride and accomplishment is irreplaceable. This is not just a job, but a mission. Meet the Bagger 193, The Baggard 193 is a bucket wheel excavator towering at 315 feet and stretching over 738 feet in length. Weighing an astonishing 14,100 tons, this giant can move up to 240,000 cubic meters of earth every single day. That's enough to fill multiple football stadiums. The bucket wheel itself is 70 feet in diameter, with each of its 20 buckets capable of scooping 530 cubic feet of material in a single pass. The challenges of operating the beast. Operating the Baggard 193 is no ordinary job. It requires a high level of precision and constant vigilance. The machine is so massive that even the slightest error can lead to costly delays or dangerous situations. The weather is another challenge. Whether it's scorching heat or freezing cold, you have to keep this colossus moving. The sheer size of the Baggard means that communication and coordination with the rest of the team are critical. Every day is a new challenge, but it's also incredibly rewarding. There's nothing quite like the feeling of controlling a machine this powerful, knowing that you're part of something truly monumental. I'm one of the operators of a tunnel boring machine, or TBM, a truly remarkable piece of engineering. Imagine a massive steel disc, sometimes as wide as 50 feet in diameter, equipped with dozens of powerful cutting blades. This machine is a beast, capable of chewing through mountains or tunneling deep beneath cities. The TBM I operate weighs thousands of tons and can dig through rock at a pace of up to 100 feet per day. It's not just about cutting through the earth. The machine also lines the tunnel with concrete segments, making it ready for use as we move forward. Tunnel boring machines TBMs operate on a straightforward yet powerful principle. At the front of the TBM is a rotating cutter head, which is equipped with sharp cutting tools. As the cutter head spins, it grinds and cuts through rock and soil. The excavated material is then transported through the machine by a conveyor system. Meanwhile, as the TBM advances, it installs precast concrete segments to line the tunnel walls, providing immediate structural support. This continuous process allows the TBM to create a stable tunnel while moving forward, efficiently carving out space underground. Operating a TBM is no easy task. We work in tight, dark spaces, often miles underground, dealing with extreme temperatures and high-pressure situations. Every day brings new challenges, from unexpected rock formations to maintaining the machine's complex systems. But knowing that we're creating vital infrastructure, like subways or utility tunnels, makes it all worthwhile. This job isn't just about digging, it's about shaping the future. Antonov N225 MRIA. I'm the captain of the Antonov N225 MRIA, the largest cargo aircraft ever built. This incredible bird is a true giant of the skies, with a wingspan of 290 feet, the longest of any aircraft in the world. Powered by 6 massive jet engines, the MRIA can lift up to 640 tons of cargo, making it the only plane capable of transporting the heaviest industrial equipment, like wind turbines or massive mining machinery. With a length of 276 feet and a maximum takeoff weight of 1.4 million pounds, the MRIA is built to carry what no other aircraft can. Its unique design, with a distinctive humpback and powerful landing gear, allows it to land on runways that would be impossible for other planes of its size. Flying the N125 is more than just piloting a plane, it's commanding a legend. Knowing every flight is a part of aviation history.